Welcome to Kiddo World, where stories, rhymes, and fun adventures come to life. Let's explore together.
Hello, history heroes. Welcome to the Time Lab, where we learn about amazing inventions and the people who made them. Ready to play Match the
We're ready, Sparks. Let's start.
I'm the invention that brightens your nights. Can you guess who invented me?
Invention? Who do you think it is? Shout out the answer.
I've heard of Thomas Edison. Let's go with him.
You're right. Edison invented the first practical light bulb in 1879 after many tries. Never give up, just like him.
Hello? Hello? Who helped me make the first call?
Think carefully. Who made the first call in 1876?
It's Alexander Graham Bell.
You got it. Bell's invention let people talk over long distances. Imagine how exciting that was.
Thanks to Bell, I've connected so many people.
Do you know who invented the airplane? Here's a hint. It happened in 1903. Who helped us take to the skies?
The Wright Brothers.
You're absolutely correct. The Wright Brothers invented the first airplane in 1903, opening the skies for all of us.
Thanks for helping us fly.
Can you find the telephone? Great. That's the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell. Now, can you find the light bulb? Wonderful. This is Edison's light bulb. It changed how we live after dark. Finally, can you find the airplane model? Amazing. This is the Wright Brothers airplane. Thanks to them, we can fly across the world.
I'm glad I could help brighten your nights.
Edison's perseverance is a lesson for us all. Never give up. Great job, history heroes. You matched all the inventions to their inventors.
It was so much fun.
Which invention was your favorite?
Mine was the telephone. It's like magic.
Tell your family and friends. See you next time for another fun challenge in history.
Thanks for watching Kiddo World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical fun.